10 fascinating facts about rainforests. Rainforests cover only 6% of the Earth's surface, but are home to more than half of all plant and animal species. Don't blink. Every second, a piece of rainforest the size of a football field disappears. Let's explore 10 mind-blowing facts about these incredible ecosystems. Rainforests produce 20% of the world's oxygen. Known as nature's lungs, they absorb carbon dioxide and release the oxygen we breathe. However, deforestation is threatening this vital system, putting our planet's health at risk. More than 25% of modern medicines come from rainforest plants. Scientists believe there are countless undiscovered species that could hold the key to curing many diseases. From cancer medications to pain relief, rainforests are nature's very own pharmacy. Rainforests are teeming with unique creatures like the vibrantly colored poison dart frog and the majestic jaguar. Some of these animals can only survive in this ecosystem, making the rainforest irreplaceable for biodiversity. Deforestation is happening at an alarming rate, destroying habitats, disrupting climates, and displacing indigenous communities. Protecting rainforests isn't just a local issue, it's a global mission for humanity's future. Rainforests are irreplaceable treasures vital for life on Earth. Share this video, support sustainable products, and contribute to organizations saving our rainforests. Together we can preserve these natural wonders for generations to come. The change starts with you. Act now.